Okay, good evening, everyone, all of you people from all over the United States, from all over the 50 states, Virginia, Kentucky, Illinois, Minnesota, Nevada, California, Arizona, and also Maine, Vermont, including West Virginia, and also New York and the rest of the country. Good morning for all of you people from Australia, or good afternoon day for all of you people from Australia, New Zealand, and also um, from all over the Pacific countries, including people from Fiji. Um, it's Fernando. Okay. Tonight I'm going to discuss about the uh, unboxing now of the opening of the review. So tonight and today I just unboxed the Redmi smartphone. Here's the look of the phone here, very sealed and protected. It's been sealed, and factory unlocked. I mean, you can see the difference. Here's the IEM. Here's the IMEI number, and also there's two IMEIs because they are all connected to the position of, of the phone. When you buy a phone from Redmi, Xiaomi, Xiaomi, um, you don't have also two IMEIs that are numbers. You don't have these two connected because only you can receive one in each certification or each model of the product. Yes, so I can assure that these products are absolutely in great condition. And they are, you can see my face. Greetings to all of you people from Australia. Have a beautiful afternoon day. And once again, let's come on the reviews, and let's do also a checking on the product of the adapter. Anyway, the Redmi adapter is the same that always you can get supplied from Mexico because it is the Mexican certification, product. And it has also Underwriters Laboratories listed, as well as the Colombian International certification. You can definitely see also the charger is type A. Um, it's not really type C because it is not a, you know, Samsung Galaxy phone from the Korean brand. Anyway, anyway, that's all that you have in the box. Here is also the key to install two SIM cards because let me give you this idea. The product comes with only two pair of IMEI numbers. So these are your IMEI numbers. These are two pair of numbers of each dual SIM card, because let me tell you this for sure. Let me do it very simple. When you get a product from Redmi, Xiaomi, anyway, you don't get two IMEI numbers at the same time when you're purchasing a phone anyway, because that is why they also provide you a good quality of any kind of product. I do not know where that I left, the sticker with the other IMEI of my other, from actual, Redmi smartphone that I have here. Just filming, the, um, the unboxing for tonight and today's, review. So, anyway, this is what you have inside the box. Let me see if I can find this sticker anyway. Hold on just a second. So anyway, I don't have it anyway because... So let's move on anyway. When you get a product from this in Mexico, sometimes you don't see the importer, in the box, because, let me see, this one, as I already told all of you, this is absolutely purchased at Virtual Depot in Florida. The other thing is because the product is also different from others. They're not the same thing when you buy something useful. Anyway, this is how it looks. This is how the product looks. The color is gray. Look how shiny it's the product in its reflection in the seal. Because it's not, carrier, locked anyway, because here's also the book of the Redmi 9A. It gives you a lot of instructions here. They're all in Spanish. because when you have it, because this one is from my actual Redmi 9A, it comes with the importer, which is is, you know, Xiaomi software of Mexico City. And the product contains only one IMEI, one IMEI, one IMEI number, which is you don't get to get two in the part of the phone, no, because it has dual, you know, SIM card, because you have two entrances for two SIM cards, one for the first SIM card, two for the second, and then finally that's it. So that's it for tonight. I hope you like this video anyway. Please make sure to subscribe, and also please make a good comment. And anyway, I will upload the other video of the review before the opening and unboxing. And please, all Australian viewers, including also from the United Kingdom, make sure to give a display review. Please, this is really seriously. And enjoy the video of this review of the product. But before signing off, I'm gonna have to say some greetings to some of them who live in Australia, and also to others that live in the United Kingdom that I don't know, because I don't have any friends anyway. So let's get started. Greetings and good afternoon for you, Sophie Batten from Australia. I'll give you a special greetings because since you don't know me, and have a wonderful afternoon day in Australia. Greetings also to you, to all of you people that lives in New South Wales, Australia. Greetings to you, Bronte Lee from Banbury, New South Wales, Australia. Have a good afternoon and good day. And also, greetings to you, Miss Sarah Twinham from Banbury, United Kingdom. Have a good evening, night, and God bless you. Since you worked as a nurse in National Health Services, United Kingdom, God bless you, and good night. Well, that's all of my greetings for today and tonight. Well, you have a special good afternoon, day in Australia, all of you people around the world, including for the rest of the world. Have a good evening, night. Also, people from Banbury, United Kingdom, especially to Mrs. Sarah, Twinham. Have a good, blissful night and afternoon. And also, have a lovely, pleasant night, evening, all of you people from United Kingdom, England, Scotland, and Wales, including people from Australia, New South Wales, and also Sydney, Australia, Melbourne, Victoria, and Brisbane in Queensland. Sorry to pronounce it wrongfully mistaken. Oh, last greetings to you, Chloe Wilkinson from South Australia, Adelaide. Have a good afternoon, day. God bless you. Greetings to you for Mrs. Alice Victoria from Australia. God bless you and have a good afternoon, day. And greetings to all of you Australian women from around the country. God bless you and have a good afternoon, day. Well, signing off. Enjoy the video. Make the first reviews and displays, please. Bye bye.